Welcome to a special On This Day in History, where we explore the significant moments that shaped our world. Today, December 10th, holds a unique place in the annals of time. In 1901, the very first Nobel Prizes were awarded, recognizing extraordinary achievements in physics, chemistry, medicine, literature, and peace. This tradition continues to inspire innovation and celebrate human progress. Later, in 1948, the United Nations adopted the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, a monumental document that continues to champion dignity and equality for all people. These events remind us of the power of human intellect and the enduring pursuit of a better world. Thank you for joining us on this journey through history. We hope you found these moments as inspiring as we do. Feel free to follow along for more fascinating historical insights.